Hi everyone, here we are at Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have at this store. Okay, so here we have Eat, Sleep, and Be Merry, these tumblers. Somebody put some gloves up here. Okay, so that's what these look like, and that's the top. And look at this one, they have the iridescent. This iridescent one, isn't that beautiful? I'm really into that right now, merry and bright. Okay, and then we have these tumblers right here. Okay, and the Santa and some more of these. And then over here we have all matching. Well, along the side here we have some wine bags. Very pretty. I love those bags. And you have this one that says joy. Okay, then we have the sets. So we have the poinsettia, the kitchen towel, the oven mitt, and the pot holders. So we have them in this one, well, the poinsettia, and then we have this one, Merry Christmas, with the Christmas tree. Then we have the Santa. I think that's cute. And then the snowman. Then over here is 'Tis the Season. Down here we just have some green napkins and red napkins. And this says, express yourself. I like that. I think I saw that in a mug somewhere. Okay, and then we have these that says, making spirits bright. So we have some more tumblers here. Let's take a quick look. So right away, I'm noticing the red truck with the Christmas tree in the back. And then we have that one. What's this one? I love this one. Gnome for the holidays. I think that is so cute. I never even knew what gnomes were, but now I just absolutely love them. Okay, so now we have these. Aren't these cups nice? Let It Snow. That's the blue one. The green one says Winter Wonderland. I'm loving that green. And then the red one says it's the most wonderful time of the year. Then over here we have some adhesive gift tags. So we have this one. Then we have this one. So they have different kind. That one says Naughty, Merry Christmas. And then we have these. Then we have some paper bags and some small gift boxes in the gold and the red. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Look how cute that is. 'Tis the season, and I'm absolutely loving these bags. These are so nice. So they do have those. If I'm looking at this right, they have it in silver, and there's the gold. Some more of these bags. I can't take them down because they're so cramped up in there. Merry Christmas. I like that one. Okay, and then along the top here we have some platters. Okay, the Santa. And oh, look at this. I don't think I've seen this before, so then this is new. That's really pretty. So if I can see correctly, I think those are all the same. Then let's see what these platters are. It's the same one. So I'm just trying to see. Oh no, they're all the same. Then we have here the Christmas tree in the green. Then they have that candy one I like. This one here. That's so cute. Okay, so then over here we have the wine bags. Isn't this adorable? For the nozzle, has a little Santa hat. So we have those to the bottom. Then we have some gift boxes. And this is a different size. I don't remember this size last year. Some regular shirt boxes. That one is nice. Then we have some elves. So over here they have a display of Christmas cards. You get 6 cards, the envelopes, and different designs. So you have that one. Holiday cheer. Peace and love. That's pretty cool. We have all the tinsel, all the bells. Now this bow here, they just brought out. And so we have the truck, and these are all stakes for the ground. Santa and the snowman, and then we have some more tins. We have the mugs over here, and the berries, and some window clings on this side here. So we have Deck the Halls. Then we have some flannel back tablecloths, and that kind, and this one. And then here's some placemats. So then they have these mugs. I didn't see this one at the last location. It says naughty, nice, I tried. Aww. And then this one. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. And then this one, I love this one. Oh look, they brought these back. Oh my God, you could tell people have been swiping them up. Thank goodness I grabbed mine last year. So I absolutely love those. And I'm loving this too, Express Yourself. And some more mugs here, right along the bottom. We have some LED Christmas tree. Then we have some of these lights, LED lights. And then we have the white tree. We have 2 of the white trees left. Then we have the tinsel in red, gold, and silver, and some more bulbs. So these are tree toppers. And these are the tree skirts for the small tree. And some lights along the top. Garland ties. Okay. All right, so here we have some hopping toys. Here's the snowman, here's Santa, and here's the reindeer. And then we have these little resealable bags. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Let it snow. Okay, we have 2 different kinds of doilies over here. And some card games. That's pretty neat. Here's some larger doilies over here and the smaller containers. These are so cute. This one says Peace on Earth. And this one over here has the green truck. And look at this one. Okay, then you have the head wrap, reindeer head wrap all the way to the top. And along the top here, we have some Christmas trees. Then we have these light up necklaces. And they have the bigger plastic containers down here in the blue. Let me show them to you. So here we have cheerful, and then you have 'Tis the Season, and then they have the smaller ones over here. So they have the plush animals. Isn't that adorable? And then they have the Santa, and then this green one is the elf. So they have some more all the way to the end. So let's see. So here they have some more treat bags and some stampers. And these are erasers and gnomes. They're so cute. And then this is jumbo erasers. And then these are pencils. These are games, pinball games. And these are pens, those little mini pens. And these are Christmas stickers. Aren't they adorable? Those are nice. Whack-a-pack balloons, some more tic-tac-toe games. Here is the flashing headband, and there's the bell chain necklaces, and those are the glasses. And then look, I just spotted this. This is a little tiny box, gift box in the shape of an ornament. Deck the halls and be merry, and some more tin bowls. Now they have these plastic containers here shaped like a sled. And then they have the regular ones. They say Merry Christmas. And then you have some Christmas hats right along here. I think this one is new. And it's burgundy. Here's one shaped like an elf, and some more of those Christmas trays. We have some vase filler. Now we have them in the silver and the gold, the white and the silver. And then here we have the red and the gold. So we have, look at this headband. Isn't that adorable? That one has the Christmas trees, the snowman, Santa, the reindeer. On the bottom you have some spray snow, and I'm absolutely loving these. These are little cinnamon like brooms. Those smell so nice. Some cookie cutters, some more headbands. Let me scan those for you. Now here we have some more on the bottom of those Christmas trees, and I'm absolutely loving the buffalo check in the red bows. Aren't they adorable? I just absolutely love them. I like the plaid too, and here's the flashing nose. But I love the buffalo check. Then you have the ornaments that you can decorate, and these are some picks. And we got 2 more of these wreath hangers, and this is some stencils. Santa, please stop here. Let it snow. Season's greetings, and it's the most wonderful time of the year. So we have the stockings that the kids can color in, which I think is so nice. They color in their own stocking. And you have this one, and then fa la la. We have, I like this fairy garden stuff. So this is the post office. Let's see, this is the church. Post office and church. Let's see. I'm not really sure what this one is. Doesn't say. So I'll just place them next to each other. And is there anything else? Oh, look at this one, the general store. So I think that's what they all look like together. Very nice. They're pretty stocked up on these. Yep. And I think I have them all. Let me see. Here's the church. And here's the antique store. Wow. So I believe they have them all. Very nice. Okay, and then they have, here's Santa, the snowman, and I think that's Mrs. Santa. And then you have, these are the characters they have. Let me just scan that for you. And even the tinsel trees, the wire trees. Okay. Then this is what's left of the ribbon. So I'll show you all that's left. Then you have the silver, the red, and the green. And then this over here is the ribbon. Over here you have some faux snow, and then the double pack of those clear ornaments. Now you do have these ornaments. I'm absolutely loving those. Okay, and then you have these little mini bows in red and green, and here is your chenille stems in Christmas colors. So you have the Peace on Earth, the Merry and Bright. Okay, here's some vase fillers. I don't know why I gravitate to this one. And it's a 3-pack. And then these are the initial ornaments. I absolutely love those. Then we have the tulle and the Decor mesh along the bottom. Oh, look at this one. I don't think I saw this. So I don't think I saw this tulle with this design last year. And here's the blue one. So here we have some felt ornament kit. Oh, look, they have the wooden stars over here. The Christmas tree, and then these are ceramic. These are the felt. Here's the angel, and here are the ceramic ornaments. And then here is what's left of the Santa. Let me see. I think I got them all. Okay, the snowman, the Christmas tree. Here's Santa. Yeah, that is so nice. So here's some more Christmas bags. Okay, let it snow. And they have them all in order. So here's the poinsettia, season's greetings, and then you have the snowman and his companion, and then you have, I think all along the bottom here is all the snowman. Then Jolly Holly, Let It Snow, Merry Christmas. How nice. And here are the little mini gift bags. Over here we have the wrapping paper, and let's see what's on this side here. Gift tags. And these have bells on them. I'm sorry I can't get into this area, but These gift tags over here have the little bows on them too. Here are some more gift bags, so I'm going to go ahead and scan that for you. Okay, so here we have some, oh, look at these. Gnome for the holidays. I like these. Okay, dashing through the snow. And then you have the seat covers all the way up on the top. And here's some platters, so let me show you. They have the gnome holiday. Then they have this one. And then they have, oh look, they have these. I don't know. Why do I get the feeling they're hiding them? I don't know, because they go so quickly. Those are gorgeous. Then you have these along the bottom. Okay guys, and then here's your fingertip towels. Deck the halls. Winter wishes. Joy, love, and peace. And then this says Merry Christmas, North Pole, the poinsettia. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to take a look at their Christmas decor, and I will see you in the next video.